kitchen at hostel. So what Nigel is cooking for us today. Big things. Yesterday snorkeling all day. We were on the boat under the sun and everybody got burnt. Pretty bad. Look at that. Good morning, folks. In the last episode, we left Fraser Heaven, cleaned up our cars from salt water, and parked them at our hotel in Brisbane. This is the only part of the journey that we're leaving the Landcruisers behind. Our friend from Vancouver is coming down to travel with us, so we're meeting in Cairns, because Great Barrier Reef is not something you want to miss. It is still a 20-hour long drive from Brisbane to Cairns, and we're really short on time, so let's do this backpacking style. Checking at a hostel and hop on a tour cruise. This is my second time jumping into the ocean. After the first time snorkeling with seals near Narooma, New South Wales, I've gotten better with not panicking in the water, though I still need a floating noodle just in case. Hey, baby steps. Yesterday snorkeling all day, we were on the boat under the sun and everybody got burnt. Pretty bad. And today we are going a bit north into the jungle and hopefully to see some crocodiles. Out of the hostel, and guess what? A BMW N240i is waiting for us. Jay rented this because it's white, it's a BMW, it's convertible, it has a 3-liter inline 6 engine, it's like Hitomi. Second day in Cairns. Since we flew up from Brisbane to here instead of driving, we didn't have a car. So, Jay decided to rent this
BMW yards.
The problem is we have 3 people here, and then obviously the back seat needs to be used somehow, and then it's really sucky. It's super straight. You're sitting up like as if you were sitting in those, Chinese elementary school classrooms kind of thing. And then when you fold the top, this joint comes down and it will hit your head, whoever that's sitting here. So, you get the idea. Well, okay. This bird just said hello to me while I was waiting for someone to serve my ticket. And then if you look down there, hey buddy.
That's going to get you on the boat if you leave at 45. Now, you've got a farm tour at 1:30 because we are a commercial farm. 2 o'clock snake show, 3 o'clock attack show. That's when the keeper goes in with a big crocodile. Demonstrates really well the natural instincts of them. Kangaroos, wallabies, cassowaries, koalas. That's where all the shows are.
How much was this for you?
41.
Okay.
Look, it's a drop bear. Yeah, it is tempted at a car park. It should be there.
A kid stood up in front of hundreds of people and asked me where I got my Australian accent from. Yeah, it's a basic question, huh? But at the time, with the pressure of the crowd, it can get to you. I broke in that situation and I pushed this kid in the water. So on that note, is there any questions? Oh, gentle Douglas, young man. Welcome aboard, everyone. How are we going? Good? Great. This is the 11:45 snorkeling tour. Hear the power of the jaws when he bites? We call that a jaw slap. Yeah. Finally lost me.
This is a bird cage. We are in a bird cage. What are we looking at? Oh, is someone injured?
It's just chilling.
Why does it chill like that? A quick lunch stop at a cafe with crocodile on one side and little birds on the other. Come over this chunk, eat it, take it, and then go. Bye bye. So this is the farm for all your croc meats and stuff. Whoa! You wanna touch him? Alright, last day in Cairns. Our flight is not until 6:30, so we have quite a while to kill.
It's okay, we're just using lost control.
And so
yeah,
we
that's
are
great.
now at Josephine Falls. Oh, there's a chicken right there.
Yeah, it's easy. I think it's the rooster thing.
Yeah, it's a chicken. Oh, turkey.
It's a grouse. It's a grouse.
Grouse.
No, it's not. What is that?
Anyways, we are walking to Josephine
Brown bird
Falls.
with a red head.
Possibly, oh, there's a lot of those chicken things.
Gobble gobble thingy.
And probably take a dip.
That's what I gobble red.
Fuck, it's itchy. It's itchy. Freaky. This whole pile, only that one branch is moving.